Tread Lightly. As you can see here, we've got my 95 Toyota 4Runner. It is the last year of the 2nd gen body style, and on my channel you can look forward to seeing not only videos of maintenance but subtle modifications with an emphasis of keeping this vehicle stock, along with a ton of adventures. In this specific 2nd gen 4Runner, we've got the 3-liter V6 engine, an automatic transmission, and I'm the 3rd owner of this vehicle. 25 years, only 190,000 miles on it, with 170,000 of those miles coming from the original owner. This original owner took very good care of the vehicle, and it's spent its entire life in Oregon, which is important because for a 25-year-old car, there is no rust under the vehicle. As you can see, the vehicle is mostly stock here, with the one exception really being the LED lights on the front bumper here. But other than that, you know, we've got original wheels, we've got the original stripes that go along the side of the vehicle, very reminiscent of the 90s. And as we move to the back, you know, everyone that's had a 4Runner knows that the rear window rolls down, and it actually still works. It sounds like it may not always work, but I love it. And one of the awesome features about the 2nd gen is that the trunk actually opens up just like the tailgate of a truck would. So as I said, the vehicle is in great condition, and the interior is no exception to that. Everything is fully functional. The only thing within the car besides the seat covers and floor mats that are not stock would be the CD faceplate there, but again, still works and works well. I love the instrument cluster here for the climate control. Just got a really cool feel to it, and it heats up pretty fast. The fact that the AC works as well is also a nice surprise. A couple things that I don't like, just being older, the steering wheel is a little bit sticky, and as you can see, there are a lot of cracks in the dashboard, very common for a car this old. So there's a look at my 2nd gen 4Runner. Really looking forward to sharing the process of restoring some of its original character, improving its functionality, and most importantly, going on some awesome adventures. If you'd like to join me, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.